Hello friend, in this short video you will learn everything about the smartphone Doogee N50 in a couple of minutes. Let's go. If you're an active young person looking for a smartphone that's both attractive and functional, the Doogee N50 might just be the device for you. This phablet boasts a stylish dual photo sensor, side fingerprint sensor, and an eye-catching combination of original colors. However, it's not without its minor flaws. While the appearance of the Doogee N50 is undoubtedly impressive, the front surface leaves something to be desired. The 8-megapixel front sensor is fairly nondescript, and the screen bezels are wider than ideal. The 6.52-inch IPS display is decent, but its resolution of 1600 x 720 pixels doesn't offer the sharpest image clarity. Additionally, the lack of an increased image refresh rate might be a deal breaker for some users. On the technical side of things, however, the Doogee N50 is a solid choice. The UNISOC Tiger T606 processor offers good performance for everyday tasks at a low cost. With an octa-core chipset, 8GB of RAM, and the Mali G57MC1 video core, this smartphone delivers responsive operation of Android 13 and can handle many three-dimensional games. While the device may struggle with the most resource-intensive titles like Fortnite, it's still a great option for the budget-conscious gamer. The 4200 mAh battery charges quickly, 18W, and offers decent autonomy, providing users with approximately 7 to 8 hours of screen time. The 128GB of internal memory is also generous, and there's even a slot for micro SD cards. The camera setup of the Doogee N50 is impressive as well, with a 50 and 2-megapixel photo modules headed by Samsung JN1. During the day, users can expect good photo opportunities and natural color reproduction. However, low lighting conditions can lead to noise and blurring in evening photo shoots, and indoor shots may not always come out as desired. The mono speakers are loud, but their quality might not be up to par for music or movie watching. Additionally, the lack of NFC contactless payments could be a deal breaker for some users. Overall, the Doogee N50 is an excellent budget smartphone with impressive technical characteristics and camera features. Its attractive appearance and responsive operation make it a solid choice for active young people who are looking for an affordable device. While it might not be the best option for gaming enthusiasts or audiophiles, it offers a lot of bang for your buck. This concludes the review. Bye-bye.